Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Tease Time. Thank you for tuning in once again. We're getting there. Today's behind the scenes, a little bit of what's going on with all of this interior. Today we have a little bit of a rainy, wet day. I don't know if you can see out there. A little wet, a little too wet to cut countertops. That's what I was planning on trying to get situated. That's what I have here. So I just made it and was just able to get everything in before it started downpouring. But like behind the scenes is what you usually probably wouldn't see is like the test fitting of the oven soon to come for the install, the Furion. But yeah, like a good thing for the test fit, for the measurements that I took, I was planning on doing like a 1.5 inch countertop, where it comes out to be actually, I did it like a 1 3/4 to fill this gap to make it sit nice without even having to like raise. Like I was saying, when I built like the cabinet itself, like I could just like raise it up by putting like some planks of birch going across to raise it up. But just to fill that gap, I just went ahead and ordered the 1 3/4. But it actually looks like you have enough room and space to actually go to like about 4 inch, or not 4 inch, but 2 inch thick countertops. So it has a nice little range for that. But everything fits in nice. For our opening, which I was concerned about, like when I did build the cabinet here for like the kitchen area, I was concerned about like the cutout for the oven. That was like the main focus. So that fits in lovely, and everything else should go accordingly from there. Just as long as like that's square, that's good, that fits where it should. So there's no ugly gaps or anything like that. Everything is set flush how it should. The only thing I'll have to do, I'm gonna have to cut the countertops right here, and the countertops are heavy. So this is a 96 inch long, 1 3/4 by 25 wide birch. This is about 115 pounds, and this one is a center island piece. And I ordered this one is 115. The smaller one's 100 pounds. But the measurements on this one, I'm not even too sure. It is 39 wide by 72 long, 1 3/4. So I had to order a whole like center island butcher block just to accommodate the cabinet over there where the sink will live, just because of how wide it is with the wheel wells. That one I had to order, so it's going to be a lot of excess. Probably about this much is getting cut. So all of this is what I don't need. So I could just repurpose that, try to make like a bunch of like butcher blocks or something, and just kind of repurpose. I'll just throw that away because it's good wood. But I just needed that to make it look clean. And then for my sink, we're really getting like behind the scenes right now, but like for the sink, this is a stainless steel sink that I have, and I still need to figure out, do I want to do the cut for it to sit like flush on top, or like have it under mounted. I'm thinking top mounted, just for ease, and then also just to help protect maybe the countertop, because I do have to like seal that with like some food grade like oil or something, just so like the water and stuff doesn't hurt the wood. So like probably best for me just to do a top mount, where I just have to cut the hole and drop the sink on top of that. So that will live under this clutter. I'm thinking sink, like I remember before I was building this cabinet, that I was trying to figure out, that I want the sink on that side or this side, and just for ease for the plumbing, for all the like the lines, it's going to be on this side. I'm going to go on that side. And then I also have like some splash guard countertop birch stuff right here, and that'll just surround the countertop where the sink will live. I'm not too sure if I'm going to do like where the oven stuff lives, or I probably do like a different backsplash. But I'm gonna do the backsplash over where the water will be, just in case like water gets on the counter, it doesn't go like behind stuff. It'll just be contained on top, or at least on the top and the front. So that's the plan of attack for that. But yeah, that's all I really have today. I'm at a standstill. I don't have like extra videos just in like backup at this point, where I need to probably just start cranking out and like recording, doing like more. But just how my schedule is, it's just the weekend before is the video you'll see on Wednesday. So yeah, I need to get some more in storage. But this is behind the scenes. I just want to say thank each and every one of you for subscribing, liking, watching the videos, keeping up with like the build. It's been a process, but like this is the not so glamorous side of the build. Like usually you just see finished products, but you're seeing what it takes to actually build something like this and just have some quality a quality product takes time. So so taking a lot of time, but we're getting there. So we got sink, we got oven. I don't want to get too like in depth with this, but stove, oven, 3-burner. I'm gonna do like an install later on. I still have to run well, so things to come. I need to do my propane lines. I have to run that. I still have to run water lines on the bottom of the van. And also I'm still trying to figure out the shower situation. I'm in contact with somebody that's trying to get like some custom like stainless stuff built, but it's just a matter of them getting back to me in time. But I have a lot of things to come, a lot of things we're waiting on. So we're waiting on cabinet doors, water storage tanks. So those are coming also. We're still waiting on our shower situation. And then after that, everything should probably be like locally bought, just like sink fixtures and trim to go like around the edges of all like the cabinets and the ceiling, so you don't see like the gaps that you see up top. All that stuff will be taken care of. It'll be that's towards the finishing product. But yeah, got a lot of things coming. It's just a matter of just waiting and being patient, and I have like things I could do in between, but it also depends on like the weather and stuff like that, especially like if I'm outside. Like I don't want to cut like the countertops, like they're not sealed or anything like that. I don't want them out there in the elements. We want to keep that stuff dry. So when I have a dry day, we'll get it to cutting that, and that should lower the weight. And then another pre-planning for videos behind the scenes, I ordered well, I didn't order, but I picked up this little plunger. It's a router, and I plan on taking some weight out of the countertops, just like chunks of wood out, just to make it a little lighter. So you know, if it's lighter, saves fuel, and just like, I don't know, less weight. But that's what the plan is for that. And I did order a new blade, saw blade. I plan on using to cut the countertops with a 40 tooth. I just got like a new blade just so we can make the cuts as clean as possible. All the cuts that I plan on cutting, I'm going to try to have the cuts like on the wall side, so you won't see like the cuts on this side. So this will be like the already cut edge that's on the countertop itself. Like you just kind of see a little bit right there. Just has like a nice smooth edge. And then I can also use a router to kind of make that a cleaner edge, or if I want to have it rounded or whatever, I can use a router for that also. But yeah, we're getting there. We're waiting on stuff. We got some in between. I have stuff I need to do on the pickup truck also. Previous videos doing like repairs and stuff. I have life things I need to do. So that's part of my responsibilities, is fixing other things. So I have my bike. I need to get that situated. I need to do some stuff on that. I have the pickup truck I need to work on. So we have a bunch of stuff to do. So it's just a matter of doing it and finding time to do it. Yeah, so stay tuned. I just want to give you like an update, so I didn't keep you hanging. I want to have a video every Wednesday until I can at least get like this situated, inside here situated. So I've been going strong. I haven't missed a Wednesday yet. So this is me not missing a Wednesday. So I do appreciate it. Like I said before, thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep following, keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting, doing all that great stuff. We have plenty more to come. So until next Wednesday, there is no product without a plan. So plan accordingly. Peace. DJ. Oh yeah, and we have cabinet doors coming and paint, of course. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.